Today, we're excited to share more about the unique experiences it unfolds. Transform the way we use our smartphones. Screen-to-screen transitions. The transition is so smooth. Another is a fully hands-free experience called Flex Mode. Flex Mode transforms your everyday experiences. The Z Fold2 also helps you get the best possible video footage. Now you can use the high-res cameras on the back of the Z Fold2 to shoot a selfie. With the Z Fold2, you can even use both screens at the same time. We even optimize the UI, so you can resize and reconfigure the windows. You can create a shortcut that launches them all at once.
With our device, our user can enjoy a truly unique experience.
I think foldables represent the future of the mobile category. It's a form factor that can revolutionize all the stuff you do in your daily life.
It's never been easier to stay connected. From one experience to another, get full details at a glance. That's the beauty of the Z Fold2. Z Fold2 in multiple colors and custom hinge options. Can be yours on September 18th. Galaxy Z Premier Service. Unlock unique experiences. Tom Brown Edition will launch from September 25th. It's truly limited. You don't want to miss it. And the Galaxy Z Fold2 unlocks entirely new experiences.